Welcome to my video. This is about Apache Airflow. Now what you are seeing is Docker window, and we are going to demonstrate with the Python code which I am showing here on Visual Studio Code. So we have functions like print welcome, then we have print data, we have print random code. So the idea is an ETL process where all these three functions will be called one after the other by creating what is known as the DAG, that is directed acyclic graph. So that's what it's highlighted here. And you have to create this Python operator for the functions which we have already defined. And this is the sequence of functions which will be called. So you have welcome task, print date, and then the last one. So now we have executed the Apache Airflow, and yeah, now it's coming up. Now once it fully executes, the server will be Airflow server will be running, and now we can, yeah, this is still running. You can see here. You will see the Airflow logo also, which is being displayed. This will take some time, of course. And once if it completes the execution, then we will see the Airflow window shortly. Yeah, so yeah, now it is the Docker window. Now go to the container, and here you can see 8080 port. Now we need to click on that. Yeah, that's the one. You need to click on, so it will open a web browser in which you should get your Airflow login window. Yeah, it's already logged in, I think. So otherwise you will actually get a login window. Credentials have to be entered, Airflow. Then you will get this window. So since I've already done it, so you are able to get. So now you are able to see the welcome tag, which has been executed, and what you're seeing here, the green, parrot green, that means it's being executed. There's a first task as per the DAG sequence, and once if it completes the execution, it will become dark green, sorry. And the next job or the next task is started, that is print date, which is parrot green. When it's executing, you will see the parrot green, and once if it completes, you will get the dark green. Then next, yeah, it's set to complete. And in case if you get red, that means there is some problem. So you need to debug again, and then you have to reinitiate the DAC. So now now it's completed, and the third one also will start. That is random code. Okay. So once you see the DAG here, that's what it's being displayed. You can click on that. You'll get green. Yeah. Now it's all over, and now you can go to the logs tab where you can see the output. The random code will appear, all the three, of course, whatever the outputs which are being shown, that you'll be able to see. Next, yeah, this is just to cross verify that this is the welcome message. So you'll be able to see the same welcome message there also. Verifying that, that's exactly what we have executed. So that's the idea. And code, the random code from the global API. So that also, you'll be able, you can use any global API, for example, trending news, etc. Coming to the graph here, logs, of course, we have seen already. And if you don't have any print statements, of course, you'll not see any output. And so you have now the same window. So you need to just see the output in the logs tab, and or to see the DAG, then you have to go for the NAT graph. Now we have successfully verified the output. You can also check actually the status of the Docker functions by issuing command docker ps process status. So all processes are executing properly and healthy. So thanks for watching this video.